I hope I'm audible now. Yes, I saw that somehow my headphones were not connected to my laptop. I think it is okay now. Okay. Yes, a very good afternoon to all of you once again. I'm sure that it is okay now. I'm audible, I'm visible. Yes, I can see that. Okay. So what I was saying that though the admit card for CMAT has not been out yet, but recently NTA has come out with a notification on the examination center. So please check it on NTA website once. You will get to know about it. So just check that once today. After the class, you may check it. So I think I'm audible now. So once again, good afternoon to Nancy Goyal, Nidhi, Aditya, Ajay, Mayank, Chinmay. Very good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So most of you have been a part of the previous sessions as well. Today have the fourth part. The process would be the same. Some questions from actual CMAT as well as some questions for our practice. And most of these questions would be of CMAT pattern only. Also, after this session at 3 o'clock, I would be again coming up with another session from the last lab to CMAT where I'll be talking about algebra. So join me at that time as well because just few days are left for the exam. So whatever best we can do in these few days, let's do that. Okay, so without any further delay, I think we should start the process. So first question on your screen is here now. A question from CMAT 2020. What is the answer for according to you? Hello Trisha, good afternoon. Hi Monica, good afternoon. What is the answer for this question number one? Once again, let's have a competition with each other, how fast we answer these questions. Mayank Kumar is the first person to answer. He says 2 is the answer. Very good, Mayank. Ashmita says 2. Very good, Ashmita. Ajay says 4. That's very good, Ajay. Nancy says 2. Good. Nidhi Singh also says 2. So first 5 answers we have got. They are real fast. Aditya Panda also says option 1, that is A, which means it is 2. Let us talk about it then. चलिए करना शुरू करते हैं. So what does it say? It says the sum of two numbers is 135 and their HCF is 9. So when HCF of two numbers is 9, that means they both are a multiple of 9. Basically 9 is their factor. If both are the multiples of 9, I can assume the numbers as 9x and 9y. But while writing this, always keep one thing in mind, that x and y, they should not have anything else in common. That means x and y should be co-prime. If HCF is anything, that means both the numbers are a multiple of that HCF. और अगर दोनों numbers HCF के multiple हैं, then apart from HCF, they should not have anything in common. भाई HCF तो already common है ही है. If there is something else common as well, तो HCF 9 थोड़ी रहेगा, right? So x and y should be co-prime in this case. And the question says sum of the numbers should be 135. So 9x plus 9y should be 135, which means x plus y is 15. Now my job is to find out two numbers whose sum is 15 and the numbers are co-prime to each other. So one of the cases is 1 and 14. One of the cases is 2 and 13. I can't take 3 and 12 because they are not co-prime, right? One of the numbers is 4 and 11. I can't take 5 and 10 because they are not co-prime. I can't take 6 and 9, they are not co-prime. And then another case is 7 and 8. So 7, 8, 4, 11, 2, 13 and 114. These are the four pairs of numbers which are possible. My answer for this question is option C, that is equal to 4. But unfortunately, I see some of you have answered 2 in the very beginning. I don't know what mistake did you make. प्रोबेबली या तो आपको ये लगा कि चार पेयर्स हैं, हाफ कर देते हैं, बिकॉज 114 इज द केस, 14 1 इज ऑल्सो द केस. बट वो तब होता जब मैंने 8 गिने होते और हाफ किया होता. I have already counted 114. I have not counted 14 and 1. Had he said that sum of two numbers A and B is 130, अगर नाम दे देता A and B, तो A और B के केस में 114 would be a separate case, 14 1 would be a separate case, because which is A, which is B, that makes a difference. यहाँ तो कुछ लिखा नहीं है ऐसा. So the order does not make a difference. So 114 or 14 1 are taken as the same case. 213 13 2 are taken as the same case. Similarly for 4 11 and 7 8. So therefore there are four pairs in which it is possible. That's our answer. I'm sure it is clear to all of you. Later on, I see Mayank ने अपना आंसर चेंज करके 4 कर दिया था. Dhirendra got 4. RJ Techniques had got 4. So 4 was the right answer for this question. Let's move to question number 2 and let's see this time who answers fastest and correct. Question number 2 on your screen is here. Another question from CMAT 2020. What is the answer for question number 2? Got confused with probability outcomes. I mean, in general, you are saying, Sarthak, because we did not discuss a question of probability today. Mayank has got the answer as 0.3. Dhirendra has got B, which is 0.3. Very good, Mayank. Very good, Dhirendra. Anyone else? Oh, previous question was not based upon probability, Sarthak. So we got two answers till now. Chinmay also has got the answer as B, which is 0.3. Monica also got B, which is 0.3. Let us start doing it. See, first thing is very clear. If you look at the numerator over here, I see a lot of 0.3s. So can't I take a 0.3 common? So inside from the first term, I will have 0.3. From the second term, I will have 0.3. From the third term, 0.6 divided by 0.3 is 2. So I have 2 into 0.03. This whole is divided by 0.54. Then I have 0.3 into 0.3 plus 0.3 is 0.6 minus 2 into 0.03 is 0.06 only, and this is divided by 0.54. They will cancel out. 0.6 is like 0.60. 0.60 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.54. ये तो कट ही गए. So what are we left with is 0.6. So straight away option B is the correct answer. Very simple question. और ये भी question आप देखोगे तो actual CMAT का है. As I've said before as well, they ask you very simple questions actually. So Nancy also got the answer as 0.3 later on. Ashmita also got 0.3. I am assuming that all of you understood. There's nothing to discuss further in this question. I'll move ahead to question number 3 now. The question of removal and replacement. For an exam like CMAT, actually you need this much only, that you should be able to do the basic questions from each concept. It shouldn't be the case कि आपने कोई concept बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया हो, because sometimes you can get very easy questions on them. Here is question number 3. Oh, music cover has come in with an answer of C288. You've got the first answer. Anyone else? Just one answer till now. It's a basic replacement based question. Chinmay has got the answer as C. Music Core and Chinmay are the only two people who have answered till now. They both have got the answer as C, 288. I think we should start doing it now. Nancy also got C. चलिए करते हैं. It says a tank has got 1800 liters of oil and paint solution in the ratio of 4:5. 720 liters of the solution is replaced with paint twice. Then find the amount of oil left in the tank. Because he is replacing it with paint, so you should work upon oil. So initially, what is the quantity of oil in the tank? It is 1800 into 4 divided by 4 plus 5. So 800 liters of oil is originally there. Now from that 800 liters, he says 720 is replaced out of 1800. So all of you know the formula. It is 800 minus 720 upon 1800, right? Initial quantity minus quantity withdrawn upon initial quantity, and because it is done twice, so you do 2 times of it. It might look like slightly difficult, but actually it is not, because 1800 minus 720 divided by 1800 is 3 by 5. और अगर आप दो बार 3 by 5 करोगे, so 5 5s are 25, will cancel it out at 32, and 32 into 9 is 288. So 288 liters is the quantity of oil which is there in the tank finally. So where from this 1800 minus 720 by 1800 to the power 2 came? It is actually the formula, basic formula, which is used in case of replacement, that if some quantity is taken out or withdrawn and replaced with something else, then what is the ratio? In such cases, we use this formula. It says 1800, which is the initial quantity, minus 720, which is the quantity withdrawn, divided by 1800, which is again the initial quantity. And because the process is repeated twice, so therefore I have done power 2 of it, right? This is the general formula of replacement that we normally use in these questions. I'm sure it is understood to all of you. That was question number 3, and please do press the like button as well if you are finding these solutions good enough. If you are able to understand, that's the only fee that you have to pay. I'll keep reminding you time and again about it. चलिए आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Let's move on to question number 4 on your screen now. Once again, a question from CMAT slot 1 2018. Music Core has got D. Mayank Kumar More has got D. They've got 2 answers as 33. Sonali has got D. Anyone else? 3 people have answered till now. All 3 have got the answer as D. Pragati has got D. Nancy Goyal has got D. Kuberan Ravi has got D. Dhirendra Shukla has got D. Shilpa has got D. चलिए करना शुरू करते हैं. निधि सिंह also has got D. It says in a circle of radius 6, arc AB makes an angle of 114 with the center of the circle O. तो अगर ये सर्कल है सेंटर है O, तो arc AB makes an angle of 114 with it. So this is arc AB and it makes an angle of 114 with the center. He says what is angle ABO? So he is asking for this angle. बड़ा आसान सा है because both of these sides are equal, they both are radii, right? तो opposite angles will also be equal and sum of three angles is 180 degrees. तो अगर ये एंगल भी अल्फा है तो ये भी अल्फा होगा and I have alpha plus 114 is 180 degrees. From there I get 2 alpha is equal to 66 and alpha is 33 और यही आपसे पूछ रहा है that what is the angle OBA? The answer is 33 degrees for it. There is no usage of that radius 6 centimeters. वो ऐसे ही शायद जो है कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दे दिया, otherwise it was absolutely useless for us. That was question number 4. I'll move ahead. इसमें कुछ भी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है इससे आगे मेरे ख्याल से, तो आगे चल पड़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ. ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑन योर स्क्रीन नाउ. What is the answer for question number 5? In the figure, PQ is the diameter of the circle. Angle PQS is 35 degrees. Find angle QRS. Mayank Kumar Bore is the first one again to answer it as 55 degrees. That's fast. Very good. Music Core has answered C as 35 degrees. Sonali has answered A, that is 55 degrees. Pragati answered A, 55. Nidhi Singh got A. Mime's official has got A. Yeah, memes official होगा ये. Dhirendra Shukla has got A. Ajay Benny has got A. Let's start doing it then. करना शुरू करते हैं. Nancy Goyal also got A. चलिए, let's see what is the right answer. In the figure, PQ is the diameter. Angle PQS is equal to 35 degrees. So this is given as 35. Find angle QRS. तो ये angle हम लोगों को चाहिए. First of all, if PQ is the diameter, can I say this angle would be 90 degrees? Angle in a semicircle is 90. ये 90 है, ये 35 है. Automatically this angle would be 180 minus 90 minus 35, that is 55 degrees. So SQ chord makes an angle of 55 degrees. यहाँ 55 बनाएगी तो यहाँ भी 55 बनाएगी. And that gives me the correct answer as option A. Simple question. Angle formed by the chord on the same side of the circle, they are all equal. तो जो एंगल SPQ होगा वही एंगल SRQ भी होगा. And by that logic we got the answer as 55 degrees. So option A is correct. बाद में भी मैं देख रहा हूं नैन्सी, रमा, कुबेरन सभी ने सही आंसर दिया था इसका. That's very good. I'm sure you understood the solution. Very simple, nothing else to be explained over here. Please just do one thing. You just have to hit the like button. Nothing else is to be done. Next question, question number 6 on the screen now. Music core has got the answer as B, 12.5%. That's very fast, music core. Very good. Rama also got B. Very good, Rama. Dhirendra got B. Mayank got B. Kunja has got A. That's very good, guys. Jyoti Gupta got B. Sonali has got B. Monica has got B. Nidhi Singh has got B. दैट्स ग्रेट, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस। अश्मिता का भी 12.5 आ गया है आंसर। चलिए जी, करना शुरू करते हैं। A dishonest shopkeeper uses an 800 grams weighing scale instead of 1000 grams while selling sugar at the cost price. If the customer gets a discount of 10%, find the profit percentage. He is using a 800-gram weighing balance instead of 1000. That means for an 800 rupee article, he is actually charging 1000 rupees from the customer because he is telling them it is of 1000, it is a 1000 gram. तो वो 1000 ग्राम का 1000 रुपीज चार्ज कर रहा है, बट एक्चुअली ही इज पेइंग ओनली 800 रुपीज फॉर इट, but is giving a discount of 10%. So I can say that for a cost of 800 rupees, he is charging 900 from the customer. So for a cost of 800, the selling price is 900. The profit is 100 rupees over 800 rupees, which is equal to 12.5% profit. So yes, that's the correct answer. Option B is the right answer for this question. I don't know how do you do this question. मेरे पास एक और तरीका होता है इसको करने का. I just look at the ratio of SP and CP. In the first situation, you are having a profit. जब भी profit हो, write the larger value in the numerator, smaller in the denominator. Then he is giving a discount of 10%. Discount means loss. 10 की चीज आप 9 में बेच रहे हो, loss हो रहा है. Loss means smaller value in the numerator, larger in the denominator. The moment you solve it, it automatically gives you 9 by 8. If SP by CP is 9 by 8, इसका मतलब है 8 की चीज 9 की बिक रही है. There is a profit of 1 by 8, which is 12.5%. This also you can use. So I just look at the ratio of selling price and cost price. If it's a case of profit, write the larger value in numerator, smaller in denominator. If it's a case of loss, write the smaller value in the numerator, larger in denominator and multiply them. जो final ratio आएगा SP by CP का, वो आपको बता देगा whether there is a case of profit or loss. It's a simple way of doing these questions. Okay? आगे बढ़ जाता हूं. Let's move on to question number 7 now. Question number 7 on your screen is here. RJ Yadav has got the answer as A. Is it for this question or previous question, RJ Yadav? Any answer? I don't see any answer till now. It's an easy question, not a difficult one. Abhishek Mokaria has answered as D, that is 20 minutes. Okay, that's good. Mayank Kumar has also answered as D, 20 minutes. Very good. Nancy has answered D, 20. Kuberan Ravi, Jyoti Gupta, they all are saying D. That's good, guys. Dhirendra Shukla got 20. Sayak Bhattacharjee has got 15. Gunja has got 20. Let's start doing it. Rama also got B. देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. So two brothers, Naveen and Kiran, they go to the gym daily for by running for 45 minutes and 30 minutes from their home. So let us say this is their home. This is the gym. So Naveen takes 45 minutes to reach the gym every day, and Kiran takes 30 minutes to reach the gym every day. So what I'm assuming that let us say the distance between home and gym is 90 kilometer. Meter doesn't make a difference. 90 का distance है. Naveen is covering 2 per minute. ये speed आ गई रवि की. And Kiran is covering 3 units per minute. ठीक है. If Naveen leaves 10 minutes early on a particular day, अब एक दिन नवीन 10 minutes पहले निकल गया, so in those 10 minutes Naveen would have already covered 20. In 10 minutes at a speed of 2, you would have covered 20. How much time does Kiran take to meet Naveen? Now, when Kiran starts from here at a speed of 3, Naveen is going from here at a speed of 2. So they have to cover 20 at a relative speed of 3 minus 2. So he's going to catch up in 1 minute. So therefore my answer, sorry, ये कितना आ गया? 1 से डिवाइड करो 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is the right answer. Yes, answer is option D. Yes, everyone has given correct answer. रमा ने भी सही, सॉरी रमा ने गलती की है और सयाक ने, अदरवाइज प्रतीक, आदित्य, रमा, सॉरी रमा का फिर आंसर बी है। अच्छा, रमा ने ये आंसर 2 बार लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। सो एवरीवन एल्स हैज आंसर्ड करेक्टली, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। सयाक एंड रमा, आई होप यू गॉट योर मिस्टेक। अगर कोई मिस्टेक आपसे हो रही थी तो we just assumed the distance as 90. Why 90? Because 90 is a multiple of 45 and 30. If 90 distance is covered by Naveen in 45 minutes, matlab he is covering 2 distance in a minute. Kiran is covering 3 in a minute. Now Naveen started one day 1 minute 10 minutes early. तो उस 10 minutes में 2 की स्पीड से 20 कवर कर लेगा. Now that 20 is to be covered by Kiran to meet Naveen. तो 20 कवर करना है आपको relative speed 3 minus 2 से. It will take 20 minutes. So therefore 20 is the right answer for the question. I'm assuming this all is okay now, so I'll move ahead to question number 8 on your screen now. What is the answer for question number 8? Music core has answered as A. Very fast music core, very good. Abhishek has answered as B. Very good, Abhishek, very good. Jyoti Gupta has answered as A. Very good, Jyoti. Mayank says A16. Good, Mayank. Ashmita got 16. Ajay has got 8. Good, good, good. Very good. Kuberan Ravi got B. Shilpa has got A. Memes Official has got A16. Nancy Goyal has got A. Very good. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, करना शुरू करते हैं फिर इसको, ठीक है। सो नाउ इट सेज if 6 women can complete some work in 12 days by working 8 hours a day, 6 women worked 12 days, it is like 72 women worked 8 hours a day, it's like 72 women into 8 hours. So this is the total women hours for which the work is to be done. Then how many women can complete twice the work? Now you have to do double of this, right? By working 8 days. Now, how many women are needed? This is what the question is asking you. If they are working 8 days at the rate of 9 hours per day. So that's it. This is giving you the answer. 8 nines are 72. 72 will cancel out with 12 into 6, 72. What is left on this side? 8 into 2, 16. So this question mark should be 16. So there are 16 women needed to do this job. My answer is option A. So I just calculated women hours, right? That how much work a woman can do in 1 hour in a day. तो वो हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से ये पता लग गया व्हाट इज द टोटल वर्क, डबल ऑफ दैट इज टू बी डन, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, so right hand side should be equal to that only. Once again women hours on the right hand side should also be equal to 16. ठीक है, तो उसको सॉल्व करके देखा हम लोगों, तो 16 मिल गया. सो 16 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. चिन्मय प्रतीक ने भी बाद में सही आंसर दिया था इसका. दोनों ने पहले 8 बोला, फिर दोनों ने 16 बोला. बट आई एम श्योर यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. ओके, okay, everyone has got it. Option A, 16 is the right answer for this question. Once again, I would just request all of you, 32 people are watching, 23 likes are there. That's a little injustice. Don't do that. I'm not doing that injustice to you. You also should not be doing it. Okay, let's move on to next question. Question number 9 on your screen now. Again, an actual CMAT question. Question number 9 from actual CMAT paper. Oh yes, Pratik. These are common mistakes that many people make. Actually, you are not alone in that line. बहुत लोग ये मिस्टेक करते हैं कि डबल वाला पार्ट नहीं देखा, उसकी वजह से गलती हो गई. ऐसा होता है, बहुत कॉमन. आरजे यादव हैज गिवन द राइट आंसर. अच्छा, वो पिछले का आंसर बता रहे हो आरजे यादव. What is the answer for question number 9 now? A question from actual CMAT. Music core is the first one again to answer as A 24.8. Very good. Anyone else? You've got just one answer, and that is from music core. He says A 24.8. Sonali also got A 24.8. Very good, Sonali. Dhirendra Shukla has got A, which is 24.8. Others. Mayank Kumar More has got D, 4 root 42. Okay. So three people are saying A. Mayank is the first one to say D, 4 root 42. Memes official has got A. Let's start doing it. करना शुरू करते हैं. The area of a triangular metal plate with base 88 and altitude 64 is to be reduced to 1/4, right, of its original area by making a hole of circular shape at the center. You want to decrease the area to 1/4. So can I say the area is decreased by 3/4? Are you getting the point? Decreasing something, for example 16, decrease it to 1/4 of it. When you decrease it to 1/4 of it, it will become 4. It is decreased to 1/4 of it. But 16 ka 1/4 4 hai, it is decreased by 12, that is 3/4, isn't it? So that means it is decreased by 3/4, and it has been decreased by the whole of that circular shape. So that circular shape should have an area which is 3/4 of that triangle plate. So what is the area of the triangular plate? It is half of the base into height, and 3/4 of it should be the area of that circular shape, which is pi into r square, right? It is the area of that circular plate, which is pi into r square. Let's start solving it. बाई से कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा 4 पे, 2 से कैंसल आउट हो जाता है 32 पे, 4 will cancel out this 4 over here. So what do I have now? और कुछ बचता है क्या मेरे पास? कुछ भी नहीं. So I can say r square is equal to 32 into 3 into 7, right? So it is 96 or 16 into 6 into 7. So what is r? It is square root of 16 into 42. 16 का square root बाहर आके 4 बनेगा. So 4 root 42 is the right answer. The first correct answer was given by Mayank, and after that I see S. Paul, Nancy Goyal, Chinmay Tiwari, Ashmita. They all had given the right answer for the question. It is 4 root 42. और एक चीज प्लीज मेरी ध्यान रखिएगा. When we talk about CMAT, I have already told about this in the previous classes as well. Accuracy is much more important than the speed. The simple reason is you have a lot of time in this paper. तो आंसर आपका सही आना बहुत जरूरी है. The kind of cutoffs nowadays which are there, उसमें आप ये अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते कि आप कोई क्वेश्चन गलत कर दें, right? और क्वांट एंड एलआर, these are the only two areas where you can expect at least more than 35 questions out of 40. बहुत आराम से किए जा सकते हैं. बाकियों में तो गड़बड़ कभी कभार हो जाती है. So please keep this in mind. ऑलवेज कीप दैट एक्यूरेसी इन योर माइंड कि मेरी एक्यूरेसी बेहतर होनी चाहिए, स्पीड बेशक से थोड़ी कम हो जाए, चाहे मैं आंसर लेट दूं, यहां पे वो नहीं होता। हैड इट बीन सम अदर एग्जाम जहां पे स्पीड इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, लाइक महाराष्ट्र सीट, लाइक लाइक स्नैप एग्जाम, एनमेट एग्जाम, तो मैं कह देता चलो ठीक है यार, आपको फास्ट करना है, छोटी मोटी मिस्टेक्स हैं, आई कैन वॉच देम लेटर, कभी कभी कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक्स हो सकती हैं, बट नॉट हियर। क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर्स बट गेट देम करेक्ट, कीप दिस इन माइंड, हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा। चलिए, I'll move ahead to question number 10 now. Question number 10 on your screen is here, which is a question from CMAT 2019. Ashmita is the first one to answer as 1650. Very good, Ashmita. S. Paul says C, that is 1650. Very good, S. Paul. We have got two answers till now. Solved 2019 paper yesterday only. अरे वाह, that's great. फिर तो आंसर याद होगा. But full marks for honesty, I would say. Nidhi Singh has got the answer as C, which is 1650. Mayank Kumar More has got C, which is 1650. Very good, everyone. Gunja has got C, which is 1650. Aditya got C, which is 1650. So almost everyone is getting 1650 now. Okay. चलिए देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है इसका. In a building, there are 30 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 35 centimeters. Height is 5 meters. Find out the cost of painting the curved surface of half the number of pillars. The rate of painting is 10 per meter square. First of all, what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. So basically 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 35 by 100. ध्यान दीजिएगा बाकी सब meters में है. Into height, which is 5. तो ये तो हो गया कर्व सरफेस एरिया एक का. यू हैव टू पेंट हाफ ऑफ द सिलेंडर्स. हाफ ऑफ द सिलेंडर्स का मतलब ये है इंटू 15 को पेंट करना है आपको एट द रेट ऑफ 10 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. तो इंटू 10 और कर दीजिए. दिस इज द टोटल कॉस्ट. सिंपल, यही आंसर है मेरा. इसको कर लेते हैं कितना आता है. सो 7 5 जा 35 यहां आ गया. 10 से 100 कैंसिल आउट हो गया 10 पे. 5 2 जा 10 विल कैंसिल आउट एट 10. आई विल हैव 22 into 5 into 15. That is equal to 110 into 15. 110 into 15 is 1650. Yes, option C is the right answer for this question. Chinmay, Yogesh, Jyoti ने भी बाद में C answer दे दिया था, which is absolutely correct. So option C is the right answer. That is 1650 rupees. Okay. So that was question number 10. I'm sure you all have understood. So once again, I have put up some two bonus questions today. For that, you just have to like this session. Nothing else is there. The only fee is please do press the like button. Nothing else is to be done. I'll move ahead to question number 11 on your screen now, which is again from CMAT 2020. Question number 11 now. What is the farthest distance between 2 points on a cylinder of height 8 and radius 8? Music core got the answer as C, that is 8 root 2. Oh God, the answer is already given over here. उसके बावजूद C answer दे रहे हो music core. The answer is already mentioned by mistake. So now that's real honesty that Music Core and Jyoti are still answering C. Yes, A is the right answer. आप बाय चांस आंसर पहले ही दिया हुआ है तो सीधा डिस्कस ही कर लेते हैं इसको तो. So this is the cylinder. Okay. He says the height of the cylinder is given as 8 units. So this is 8 units. The radius is also given as 8 units. So this is 8 units. And he says what is the farthest distance between 2 points. So farthest distance is one point is over here and the other point is over here. The distance between them is the farthest distance between any 2 points. Now for that you will see that the base would become 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16. The height is 8. So what is the total distance? It is 16 square plus 8 square. Pythagoras लगा दो उसका square root. So 256 plus 64 का square root, that is root over 320, that is root over 64 into 5, that is root over 8 into 5, sorry 8 root 5. So option A is the right answer for this question. ठीक है. So option A is the correct answer, that is 8 root 5. यहां पे हालांकि ये एक चीज हो सकती है, sometimes he might ask you what is the farthest distance along the cylinder, right? Along the sides. ये है आपका एक air distance. अगर आप सिलेंडर को देखेंगे, this is the air distance. But along the cylinder अगर आपको चाहिए, you will have to cut open the cylinder from here. You will have to cut open the cylinder from here. You will have a rectangle with you, and the height of that rectangle would be the same 8 units, but the base is half of the circumference. ये पूरा circumference जो 2 pi r होता है उसको open करोगे अगर आधे को, it would be pi r. Accordingly you would be calculating the hypotenuse, then that would be the answer. तो अगर along the cylinder पूछा जाए, कट करके ओपन करते हैं, we find out the hypotenuse, उस केस में base would be the circumference. Okay. और अगर सीधा सीधा पूछे the farthest distance between any 2 points, that means over the air as well, in that case we just take the base as diameter, the perpendicular as height, and hypotenuse of that would be the correct answer for the question. That's question number 11 now. So I'll move on to the last question of the day. Question number 12 is here from CMAT 2020, and that's a very easy question. I'm sure all of you can do it real fast. Let me see how fast you answer this question. इसको आप सब लोग बहुत जल्दी आंसर दे पाएंगे. सर क्वांट में 10 से ऊपर अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पा रहा, कुशाग्र चेक कीजिए कहां मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं आपको. इसका मतलब कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा है जो नहीं आता है, उसको दोबारा पढ़िए, बिकॉज क्वांट में आई थिंक ईच वन ऑफ यू कैन इजीली स्कोर 17 18 आउट ऑफ 20. आई मीन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. Which of the following sets of numbers can be used as the length of the sides of a triangle? Mayank Kumar is the first one to answer again. Music Core has answered second, then Abhishek, Nidhi, Kuberan, Ravi, Jyoti, Gunja, they all have answered correctly. Very good guys. Very very good. बहुत simple question है और सीमेट का ही actual question है 2020 का. Yes, that's great. Shilpa got B, yes, Paul got B, Pragati got B, Ashmita has got B. Yes, B is the right answer because one simple case is there. यहाँ पे 12 is not greater than 5 plus 7, right? यहाँ पे 17, sorry, is not lesser than 5 plus 7. 17 is not lesser than 7 plus 9. यहाँ पे 10 is not lesser than 2 plus 4. This is the only case in which sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Property यही है ना ट्रायंगल की, sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side, जो बाकी सभी केसेस में ट्रू हो रहा था सिवाय, सॉरी नहीं हो रहा था सिवाय B के. So therefore B is the right answer, and that was the last question of the day. And later on also धीरेन्द्र, अवनी, यामिनी, कुशाग्र सबने सही आंसर दिया है. That's very good guys. That was the last question from my side. Your job is just to press the like button if you really like this session. Okay. That's all guys for today. And yes, these are our heroes from our online classroom program from last year. These are all those people who scored 99.957570, and there are many more people in this series. Of course, I would want some of you to be on this screen next year because these should keep changing. Okay? Mayank Kumar More, Music Core, some of you can be here next year as well. And you can also join our comprehensive program for that, which provides you 300 plus engaging videos, 135 plus live sessions, 10,000 plus practice questions of CAT and non-CAT exams both. Mock tests are there. We also provide you GDPI and VAT preparation and study notes, CAT question papers along with the other things. So therefore we call it a comprehensive program. If you are prepared for CAT 23, join us for that. And to facilitate you with it, we also have a scholarship test on 29th of April at 7 p.m. on BYJU'S Exam Prep app, the mobile app. You can write the paper over there and you can win up to 90% scholarships. Also, there is a session on 6th of May at 7 p.m. once again on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app about MBA, why, how, and when. And the session would be taken by Srinivas sir. He'll be talking about MBA in detail. You can join him on that day. We are running this last lap to CMAT series, which you already know, and the last session of this series would be on 2nd of May. So keep joining us on each of these sessions. It's going to be pretty useful for you. Also, we are having these section-wise quizzes on our app nowadays. If you are preparing for CAT 23, it's going to be pretty useful for you. Apart from that, the most expected question series, we have taken up it to a larger scale now. It is 500 most expected CAT questions, which started from 6th April for CAT 23 kids. So join us on BYJU'S Exam Prep YT channel. Subscribe to the channel, you'll get to know about it. We are also available on all these media handles, and that's all from my side. Thank you very much, guys. I'm sure you like this session. We'll meet again in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care, all of you. A very good day to all of you.